whose bright idea was to make week 50 of the 52-week Coleman Challenge lantern cooking. They've brought the zombie apocalypse upon us all. We've been running for days and finally holed up in this garage. I've got a lantern. I made a little ring so that I can cook on top. We're going to make emergency breakfast. As you can see, the rack actually does a pretty good job for toast. I'm starting with toast. I'm going to let the whole system warm up, get good and hot. And I'm toasting first because I can get the good brown on the bread and then warm it up again later on. In my pan, a little bit of butter. I managed to score before the zombies ate those people. As you might guess, there isn't a whole lot of heat available. We're somewhere around 250 degrees right now. I'm putting my hash brown. I'll let that cook. I presume that's going to take something like forever. Hash brown has gotten up to 165 degrees. The problem is it's nowhere near crispy. Still quite limp. But there's a lot to do today running from zombies. So we'll move right along to the egg. 2 eggs here, scrambled with a bit of water. Right into the pan. It's an emergency breakfast, right? So we'll accept mediocrity. I'm going to eat the hash brown while it's hot. It's not bad. It's undercooked, but in another hour or two it might have been done. This is taking forever. Pretty well done though. Just cut off a bit and have a look inside. It looks nearly done. Nearly done. You can't be in a rush cooking with a lantern. I'm thinking if I ever did this again I would try with kerosene lantern. I think they produce a lot more heat. There's heat there, but it's nowhere near direct enough. Of course we're wasting a lot of heat out the sides. We will scoop out our egg onto our toast. And of course a blast of hot sauce cures a host of all evils. It's your emergency breakfast cooked on a lantern. And of course, in the end, somebody has to try it. It's not bad. Of course, the bread is cold because it took an hour. It's a good thing there hasn't been a zombie apocalypse because cooking on a lantern is absolute crap. Of course, we know that when you want to cook outside, you really want something much more like this. A real stove for real cooking. Anyway, that's week 50 down. See you next week.